Let's go and eat some falafel. Can I have your best food, whatever you have here?
Alt best.
Okay, give me something, whatever you have.
Kebab, chicken,
Whatever, give me kebab.
ولا
So you say falafel, give me falafel.
falafel.
Okay.
Store little. Big or small?
Big.
Big.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like drink.
Yes, please.
I like alt. All.
Yes. Put a lot.
Vilken land kommer du?
I came from US.
US.
I live in US, yes.
You will come. I like vill du ha dricka? Nej. Inte dricka.
Ja. Nej tack.
Varsågod.
Hejdå.
Welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Welcome.
How long you have this stand right here?
Oh. 15, 16.
16 years? Amazing. 16 years. Yeah, that's 16 years, guys. Imagine. So let's eat falafel for the first time in Sweden. Look at these guys. Oh my god. It's so good. Oh my god. You can smell garlic. If you like garlic, this is the best. So good. Just look at the view here. I am on the street. And these people right here sitting by me. If you wonder which city is that, this is Malmo. Malmo is in South Sweden. Let's eat the falafel myself, see how is the taste like. So what is this falafel made of?
What this is?
Made of? Like you made it with meat?
No, with the parsilia.
Parsley.
Yeah,
Parsley.
parsley. With hummus.
Hummus.
Yes, شكرات hummus.
Hummus.
With kryddor.
Kryddor, yeah.
The blend that is same. It's good.
Very good, yes. It's really good. Yeah, I like it. Thank you so much.
It's not good. Beautiful.
Oh my god. I can eat two of these. I forgot to ask him how much this cost, but I can check my bank, see how much he charged me for one falafel and one drink. It will take a few seconds. It cost me for one falafel and one drink. It's only 70 crown. That means $7. That is really good price. It is very cheap. Only $7 for this? That is cheap to me. Oh my god. So good.
Di sopra abbiamo troppi, dove sono troppo, no, troppo food. Troppo food.
And the messy here.
كيف والدين وهاني لقى جنبه lots of falafel.
Taste is different than American food, definitely, but in a good way. He put a lot of spice, so it's good. I like spice. Only $7 for this? Okay. He's busy actually. He has a lot of customers. I was expecting to be around $12. And in Sweden you don't have to tip, so they don't have a tip jar. So guys, I'm gonna show you around the store. Stay tuned. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. So that was falafel. Tell me, what should I make next video? Bye. Thank you. Hi. Do you eat here often?
Huh?
Do you eat here sometime? Eat here? Do you eat here? Food?
Nej, ibland jag köper.
Sometime you eat here. Is it good?
Jo då.
Very good.